how to fix app not working. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can fix application not working. And this is how to go about it. The first thing that you should do if your application is not working is to check for update. So you have to ensure that you have the latest version of the app installed. And how do you do so? Go to your Google Play Store or your Apple App Store to check out for recent updates for the app. So after launching your Play Store, click on the search box and type out And so once you type out you'll be brought to the page. And on this page, if there's a recent update on the app, on a particular position where you can see the option play for me on my screen, you will see the option update instead. So if that is what is being displayed for you, click on update, and then after updating the app, go back and reopen the app. Then once that doesn't work, and that's thing you should do is to restart the application. So close the app completely and then reopen it. And so how do you close the app completely? You can just minimize this way, then ensure that the app is closed and close it completely, then go ahead and restart the app. And this can resolve minor glitches or issues ongoing with the app. The another thing that you can do is to clear the cache of the application. And to do that, head to your settings page, and on the settings page, scroll down to app management and select the app management tab. Then on the app management page, select app list, and so you'll be brought to your list of applications. So on this particular page, search for so you can get it easily. And once you can find you'll be taken to the page where you see details about the app. So click on storage and cache. Then on this page, move to the bottom part and click on clear storage. So after doing that, go ahead and restart the app, and definitely the app should start working now. And so once you've tried this as well and it doesn't work, you can also try clearing the storage. Then another thing that you should do is to check your internet connection. You can check how fast or how slow it is. And to do that, you can carry out a fast test run on your internet by going to your Google Chrome, and by clicking on Google Chrome, you'll be taken to your web browser, and the search box, type out www.fast.com to carry out your internet speed test. So by carrying out this test, you can see how stable or how efficient or how fast your internet connection is. If it's very slow, it can also affect your app form loading. Okay, then another thing you can try is to uninstall the application and then reinstall it from the app store. All right, this can fix issues caused by corrupted installation files. So you can try this, and then if you've tried all of this and none of them work, the last thing that you can do is to contact the support. And how do you do so? Go to the your web browser again, and then type customer support, and then to load, and you will have to look for the game, okay, because there's another that's a digital bank. Ensure you select the one that's the official game, so you can say support so click on that, and so wait for the page to load. And then once that's loaded, go ahead and lay your concerns, which is you want to you are finding it difficult to log in into your account. You can be asked to send the screenshots. Go ahead and do that, and then it will be resolved from their end. So these are the various ways you can fix app networking. Thank you for watching, and ensure you put all of this into practice. Have a good day.